Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the CrowdGen error code 500. The error reads, Internal Server Error. This error occurs when users try to log into their CrowdGen account. Many users shared that the app or website suddenly shows this error and doesn't allow them to access their account. According to our research, this is a server-side issue. The error is likely coming from CrowdGen's systems. As this is mainly a server issue, there is not much you can do on your end, but we suggest trying a few general steps just in case. First, restart your device and try logging in again to see if the error is resolved. If the error still comes, then restart your internet connection. Once your connection is back, check CrowdGen again. If the error still persists, try opening CrowdGen in your browser using incognito mode and see if this helps. If the error still persists, then it's likely an ongoing issue from CrowdGen's side. In this case, we suggest waiting for a few hours and then trying again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.